Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, the CEO Stalusadi Enterprise, the CFO man Edo State. I want to say a very big thank you to those who reach out to me, because believe you me, ever since then, the last time I came out on the live video, immediately after the live video, I went to bed to go and sleep. The fever increased. But thank God now, I am okay. And I'm going to take a rest tomorrow, then to resume my normal work on Tuesday. What skyrocketed that fever? Because of the fact that I just noticed that I was okay, I said, okay, let me rush down to site to go and work. Who said me I go that site? I said, I reached the site. Obonade Wala fall out. Fever show me say, man, bro, not be you get yourself. But thank God I'm okay now. Now I want to go to, 1 minute please. Go to the topic of discourse today. The truth of the matter is very simple. You know, in Edo State, when people always feel this I don't care syndrome, and whenever you say anything, those who are not on ground want to counter it, owing to the fact that it's either they are fighting for viewers, for people to view them on social media, or I don't know. The last time I said something about this vigilante in Edo, we want the best for Edo. We need security in Edo. But the formation right now, it's totally unacceptable. But he said, no, why? This, yeah. Somebody came out, what's his name? I don't like mentioning somebody's name. He came out on media, Police should come and apologize. I just commented on this video now to say, you and I, now who will now apologize? I thank God today, some of this issue is gradually reflecting itself. You are talking about Edo youth fighting wars, Edo youth courtesan prevailing in all ramifications of Edo, and you want to empower people. You didn't fish out, you didn't screen, you allowed them to come out with the weapon they have in the past, and you expect peace to be there. I said this in my last video. I said, don't be surprised. This vigilante, it's a very good thing, but it may end up becoming the biggest problem or a security plague in Edo State if not properly managed. And I emphasized the fact that they must renounce their aquatic activity. But as we speak today, it's gradually reflecting itself. Vigilante now, when one go this place, he go say, man, who be this man? Nakolo A. Nakolo, take on that man. Nakolo B, leave on. Nakolo C, take on that man. Nakolo D, leave on. Before you can allow these elements to be part of vigilante, they must have not only renounced physically, they must renounce in their hearts. And there are mechanisms to check that. Now let me play a video, although this video is already with everyone, but the need to play the video for your listening pleasure and for your viewing pleasure has become so sacrosanct. Now, this video is online. You just watch what happened. Vigilante, just listen. Now Kofra talk. Now you 1 year, so listen. Okay, wait, I'm going to, the volume is, let me restart. Let me restart and allow the system build so that you know exactly. See, when you were not there on ground, because they feed you with secondary information, you want to use we say, with the worker, when a peaceful person not mean say will not destroy. And I don't first tell you before, when we be peaceful person not mean say we are weak. To be an average Benin boy and a stubborn boy, an average Benin man, woman, and a stubborn person. But the difference between we and others is say we must not eat for devil table before we feel stubborn on our own. We must not eat for devil table first. Okay, I must join this side before I feel stubborn as an Edo man. That is the difference. So when we tell you, say, see what they happen on ground. How can you, boys now we know they feel carry tools before. He say, when they want to reply me, he say, I should come and apologize for talking to vigilante. If I not going to talk about people who carry a cut to side, they shoot each other. Fine. None of these boys, when they carry cut to side, they shoot each other, they carry that cut to side as they come out. Then they used to do organized crime quietly. But now, the person who affects, when get a cut to side, I know before, where they code. As a vigilante, I go feel flash on. Now, whether we like it or not, we know say pump action is a light weapon. Yes, pump action is a light weapon. But that light weapon, when you call pump action, so there are pump action will be 12 rounds, 8 ranks day. Those one, if they recall, auto they will be say, as they call, as they play, not they stop. Imagine you carry that auto, give person. My dear brother, as at now, in the name of vigilante, that if it come out, excuse me, my system has some little fault. I'm coming 1 minute, please. My power source. 1 minute, please. Yes. Now, as I was saying, those people will get up to first they flash these tools. Now, in the name of vigilante, if they move, we not say they not get weapon. No, we not dey against that one. But we should know who they parade this weapon. Now we say you go give one. We say me and you say we want to stop insecurity. We want to stop courtesan. Make them know they kill each other again. You carry the weapon. They courtesan now. Now even the old tools they go for street. He never deny, never do it. Now let's play this video. Make you watch by yourself. I know say you don't first see the video, but for the purpose of this program, I want to play it for you. And someone called me today, say, comrade, see what you talk that day. That's okay. I need to ball out for this matter now. When they tell you something, you want the no. And the secondly, I don't want to make it be say, I know the line make person the same message. You say, hello, message to Comrade Stanley. I don't dey saga with anybody. If I observe something, I will talk. If you want to talk, you'll talk. You'll not send me message. Say I'm sending the message to Sakonogo. No, I not be. In fact, and somebody tell me say today, come and say all social media presenter should come out and let's result. Now say nobody is a social media presenter in Edo. We are only misusing social media. Which presenter? Which school you go? Which school we go read presentation? Where they can say now be social media presenter because we on Facebook. On Facebook, put our phone for the front. We will come begin to talk. We'll come begin to call ourselves. Say present with you. What are we presenting? I'm not a social media presenter. I only notice say see what happen. You not clear. I will come talk. So not come make us be like say we'll say these are the social media presenter. Nobody is a social media presenter. Nobody is a social media presenter. There is nothing like social media presenter. If you are not a mascom, you are not a mascom. So just leave those ones where they say they are presenters. So no. So if you want send message, don't send message to Sakonogo. Don't even reply me. Face your own. Make I face my own. But when I see what's not good for my state, I go talk. If you see what's not good for your state, make you talk. Not be saying you not talk. You not talk, you look. I talk my own and you say, okay, I want to reply Sakonogo because you want me people watch you. Because you want to get viewers. I beg. Not they add me to. Now they try to talk so. I not take any issue with anybody. I know they drag anything with anybody. I know they follow anybody. They say I'm me the lead for media. I know they tell you say I'm me they carry last. I know tell you say I'm me there. I know tell you say I'm not there. Just leave me my own. Once I notice ills in my society, I should be able to speak. When you notice ills in your society, may you say speak. Not be you go to wait for me. Say make I talk fair. You can say a reply to Sakonogo. Don't reply me and don't send me message. Face your own. Make I face my own. Now make I play the video for you. Listen. You see what vigilante do? You see the shooting? Now, you see, when we go to tell them something, some people they say, yeah, because they want trend. See, the earlier we forget about trending, if that two people watch your video, it's better than for you to say, you want make the or you want go to look for controversy. Like some people dey now, they know they fit. Then if they not do classes, nobody go watch them. So they believe in classes. You know, and many people say all these viewers when they view all these our videos, now even quarrel that they like to watch. If you come out with something with ideas, they will never watch you. But maybe you have to say message to Dion Usagi, message to Sakwino Hodi. They say saga, they want to watch. They will never watch anything where we bring reasoning. No, they themselves like quarrel, make quarrel you're the day. Me not the others one. I know they. You understand? I always say make a comment this evening. I don't comment for that man video just now when they talk. I say me and you now, who will apologize to each other? Where is he? When we just see, bros, let's be sincere to ourselves. I never travel come out this Benin. Forget say you might talk and say you don't get level, no problem. I agree. I never travel come out for this Benin. Now this Benin they born me. Now this Edo I go school. Now this Edo I graduate. I don't tell you before. People like who will not be men will say go bring your results or your certificate will say wait first. My panel Diaz or my mark keeper for bank. You don't worry. In 2 weeks time they'll come where they put the key. No. I know they tell you. I know as you said bring gun come. I'm going to tell you as I'll go show you back. And if I still show you, not be saying that you say we go school. Everybody say we go school. They go check your results. You come out with pass. Not be that type. We go school, we come out with the best results. But we not still make. Not be you want tell what they happen for streets with the CM. Just because of say we choose now our own personal rotation. Now make we not join anything. Not be say we not supposed to be something, but we choose not to. I never see where anybody on earth don't ever come call the beg, say, come bring a beg, come collect money. Why will you not be begging me to join society? You don't ever see where the beg say, oh my brother, please now come and take this money or come and take this employment. For them to beg you at all to become a member. You should know that that thing is not good. Not a beg place is going to take good thing. They're not a beg person contain good thing. In fact, good thing is scarce. The wakaka where you dey, hello my guy, no worry, you the now you the top the shot, now you be the man we sabi, now you want be this. Oga, carry that ticket, go. Carry and go. You don't take off yourself. If it good, make good for you alone. Make it good for you alone, no problem. So when they tell you say see where they go, vigilante is good. We all need that. A Fulani S-men activity now is a threat. It is a threat, and we must confront this threat wholeheartedly. But you cannot be creating a threat to confront a threat. Look the video by yourself again. Who give vigilante right to light? Boom! See they worry you now. Who give you right to light? Let's know your mandate. Not be the parade gun, they go for street, blah, blah, blah. Now, this, see, that one alone, an arm raise, you hear the see. If you don't know what to be arm raise, go and confirm. Now, arm raise over there, he want the rise now. Now, with this now, as you don't hear this language of Kofra, the other one make your member enter. Listen. Let me start it again now. Listen. The other one make your member enter. Listen, listen. You don't hear the lights. Wait. You don't hear them. So when we talk something, we know. You cannot be using threat. For now, The intention is very good. It's very good. One woman coming for diaspora, say somebody say, well, they should go and raise the money for vigilante. Now they say, maybe give them money to me Morocco. May they go to the Bay Morocco. My dear brother and sisters, we need vigilante in Edo State. The emergence of Fulani threat is there. Fulani emergence threat is there, which of course we need to protect our territory. But when doing this, we must make sure that those incorporated into the scheme of things is screened to the latter. It is screened to the latter. So even they say, their mindset now so say, hey, may they could give us the level more for the state, mostly collect money like police. More for the collect money, now so joke at that message. We don't see them for road. And not just the me as I did, so I don't fit on the simple truth. I'll still repeat them again. Not call me social media presenter. I get my platform. Once I notice ills in the society, I will come and raise an alarm. I am not a presenter. I'm not a send message to anybody, send message to this. Have you ever seen me say, I want to send message to Mr. Now, if I'm not even follow person to media. Now, when you talk, waiting not happen, I will come back and say, not be so it be. I will defend myself. And if I defend myself, even if you cost me 100 million times, I'm not going to even mention your name. I will defend myself, commodity. I will focus with my life. So nobody should come and be saying a message to Sakonoko. Don't send me a message. Do not send me a message. Face your own. If you know say the thing when I talk not correct, go and give them the correct one. But me no say, I not go carry consider here if I not get meaningful thing to come discuss. I you consider me but no say, oh you don't say, don't see tables Sakonoko they come and reach you. May they not come like I said no. I know they drag popularity. I know they drag me they know me. I not in fact I know you get any a thing. So if they say the social media presenter no have me to run, I am not a presenter. In fact, nobody be social media presenter. We all are misusing Facebook. That is the truth. And it's 1 minute live video. This one tell, this one say, this one say, this one say. No meaningful discussion. Fact, insult. Attack. So at least the truth of the matter is very simple. If you are doing that, I beg, not drag me in. I only come out this evening to come respond. But with this video, when I see, I tell you that they say come. All these people they sit there. Some don't know your wear shirt again. They just stay until I be like before. If they even before those days, if they pump their machine for back, I police they could quick coordinate and say they don't know say that they. Now, that's very like the people see police now. They just say, "Oh, God, police, how far na pumpy go dey their hand? Pumpy dey your hand. The pumpy dey your hand. They not screen you well. You act the way this male did this video take act now. You will act the way this male did this video take act. You go act. That is the simple truth. So the truth of the matter is, if we want a better Edo, let us all be sincere in whatever we do. Nobody is perfect. Get it clearly. Nobody cannot come out here now to tell you, say, for the media people, now me good pass. Now lie you. Me myself, my own day, my body. Me myself, me sick the faith in some area. Me myself see the fuck up too. Sorry for using the F word. Me myself get my own for my body. So I know can tell you, say, this one, no, you're good. Now, so I can hold the good. I not sabi pretend though, as you just see me so. And I don't like, and that's why it is hard. It is hard for me to follow people. It go hard for me to for you to see me say at the rush they follow people. They go, you know why? Because many people feel not accommodate the kind of lifestyle women they live. Me as I did now, if you raise your body, me and you know if you work out. I not like her. If you did or not take, please share this video. Please share this video. Person where the race is safe. Where they do maybe this. I know the fit follow and work out. I know the fit. Because I believe in one thing in life. Nobody knows tomorrow. Now for both rich and poor. You say, so if you say maybe because you bump today, no, now they will never break 9 many pass. Nobody knows tomorrow. Now for both rich and poor, the rich can be poor, and the poor can be rich. So if you dey top, no intimidate the next man because they will break. When they break, you feel shock. You will dey the top. And if you raise yourself when you did the top, if you show yourself, say, now me, now, if you fall, the way they will tell laugh you. But if you not show yourself, if you fall, now people will raise you. Say, oh, this boy, when the day where you not get time with him, assume, don't worry, I'll bless you. I'll bless you. But say you, they say, now me, you know how much? 10 million, 1 million. My shoe now 15 million. My jeans now 10 million. My top now 4 million. You leave we. Where they wear the 500 naira, oh, make we day. When we just still grow rich, God will make us wear the 1,000, the 1,000. And there is no way somebody like me, no matter how I will get money rich, no matter how I will get money, except maybe I not get it will be, man, I go buy one shoe, 10 million naira. No, I can't do that. Sorry to say, if you like to talk, say, this boy Lucas, I don't buy shoe 10 million. That is your own. I cannot go and buy a shoe. For me to buy shoe 10 million naira, say I want wear them. I will look for people, empower. I will see that as I empower them, as I sit down for mass, I will get my return. I go to get my return. I go empower people that don't buy one shoe 10 million. So the truth of the matter is, these vigilantes, now very good idea, but let's check their mandate. If not, they are going to be a monster. They are going to be a monster. I am telling you the truth. A very big monster. That time, you can't be like saying that me and you, bah, waiting the battle of us. It could be like saying that me and you go market, go buy dog. We want battle of us. Courtesan killing the on ground. Then they hide, they do the killing. Nobody don't ever come and say, man, now we shoot. You don't ever see video or say that now when they shoot press for ground, babe, now you see the video. You see the video, say one body. But this one now, they are not acting now. Babe, you see the shooting. Or in the name of that, they say me they shoot people. Police not get right to even shoot person. Talk like you will be vigilante. And you reach there and you say, this one, mention different courses in there. Not be my mouth you want for year, you don't hear for the video. You don't hear for the video. Now, let me tell you what's in the happen now for inside the vigilante. They are not dragging recruitment. Who be the which men want many pass? Which men want many pass for inside? Excuse me. Let me drag. Which men want many pass for inside? Which men want many pass? 9 days now. This one want me the outside many. I never told them before. See, if you want a better vigilante, you actually need a renounced courtist. A renounced one. That is the truth. You cannot remove them because if you say no, you don't want courtesy vigilante, never say you don't want vigilante because 95% of Edo youth now member of different organization. 95% of Edo youth now member of different occultic group. Now, if you go there, inside this occultic group, so the real men, the old ones, we don't fail do disaster, we don't tire, now many pass. Now children, the children, now they cost you give them, now they go to say, oh, if those one now really choose to change their man, they renounce. Bros, if na color A go tell color A friend say, I don't know what to now. If you misbehave, we know we'll come catch you now. As it happen, and they'll bring it, they say, If you don't want to make this problem stop, mo go arrest Matthew, mo go arrest Osakorokodi, mo go arrest this guy, mo go arrest this one. This one was talking about you, mo arrest this one, mo arrest this one, mo arrest this one. Before you hear, you don't bring them down. Say you not do one like that. My brother. You not do one like that. You not do one like that. As it is, one very good day, you day your house. You surprise if vigilante where they come, you go fly one beret. Now your gate you go for fly the beret. Your gate where you want to act. Now you go for fly the beret. As you do what you want to fly, you come on the beret. You go use vigilante level to drive come out. So my brother always quickly rush come YouTube. We say it's like an she come and apologize. Me and you will not apologize to each other. I'm asking. Who will not apologize to each other? And they ask. Before una dey run the come media, Mona dey try do investigation. Una dey try do investigation. Now, again, if you somebody say one come and say we don't need any courtesy in vigilante, nothing like renounce. If they catch person when be their member, sentiment, yes. But the truth is, let's be sincere, let's be factual. Thomas Erisowedi, that your name, hard boss. Sorry for the wrong pronunciation. Man, tell you the truth. You don't need a man from Bayelsa to come and secure your town. You don't need a man from Rivers to secure your town. You will secure your town yourself. That is why the states are pushing for community policing. This vigilante is part of community policing. But the federal government don't want to give that full right to the state to say, okay, we don't have state police. But right now, the vigilantes are very, very sacrosanct. Now, if you look at your population as a citizen in Edo, the youths, which is the workforce, from 18 to about 60 years, workforce, but let's say from 18 to 45, 50, youths, as the case may be, the able-bodied men, go and check. Virtually all of them are members of different society. Virtually all of them. And I tell you, some of us, I get people where they watch me now, where we know each other for our zone. They know me too well. They know what they talk about. They know, say, people like us are going to hold it. Now, look, now we not take joy. Not be saying maybe we be not still need that right here. But God give us sense, say, Moku just, we can't look and say, man, wait till. Me, cause okay, me, my own personal experience, now to tell you so. I don't already read this same man. I want join. But they say no, say me for turn. I come back say when things go happen. All these boys on the road or the head. Don't they say, I'll say for one at dinner. Don't say wait, we'll see you next week. Every guy be now. Let me go to them and say, anyway, I lay here. I mean, not like hide here, you see me so. Me not like hiding. Where they hide, I don't like them. I can say also, if I go join this now, I'll go see the hide. Or, I can let that reason and say, come. So, if for example now, I know you have to do anything, I know find trouble, because when you're that person, you have to kill me put. Now say, no, I cannot be a member of anything. Okay. I not just wait, I not do anything. I just have to judge in my house because somebody slapped us for Ewa Road. Don't come shoot me for my own area. Now say God forbid. If you want to shoot me, you must shoot me for what I do, not what another person do. May you in a robbery account. Somebody, Lisa there. Now true, you talk, Lisa. That was true. But at the end of the day, I say, guy, you are right. We don't deny. Now you're the fact. But God said no. And I'm not going to tell you that. As at now, I'm enjoying it. You know, to be freedom. The real men on the run. On the run here and there. As they run, also if carry my leg. I'll carry my leg out and look there. Freestyle. Because I don't know you. You don't know me. Although jealousy there. Jealousy self day. Jealousy self day. Sometimes when we say they no say you not there. But because they don't say and say, hey, this guy progress, the one gets you done. So you as a guy must use your own brain. If it happen, withdraw. See they watch them. Now see you see the waka in here. If you don't, you be big boy. You dey fix the drink where you dey shout. You see they say, ah, hello. You use your brain, no. Some people they wait like it's no longer courtism now. Say now envy. When they see you drive GK, because they pray for the next day what will happen. They'll feel your key because GK. Somebody say Ovasabi sweet. In name Ovasabi, he said the vigilante should be dissolved as fast as possible. I don't want to talk that one. I don't want to talk that one. What do you mean one talk? We say they must recheck those that will be incorporated. Now we say we can go give opportunity to miscreants make unto the act. Somebody say Prince Edgar Usaro. He said you thought I was a member before, but now you are convinced now that I'm not. Yes, boss. No, yeah. Now not be see and not see. I know they use them doom when they talk. They do you to who join. No. As I did now, there is no way you can say if you say you don't want to move with cultists, you may not have friend. If you say you don't want to move with cultists, you may not have friend because who are who free for Isadel, for the town? Who are who free for inside the town? So what we are concerned about now, it gets some people will be say they be member, but they are very down to earth. They don't like evil. So the one who not like evil, you deal with them. Anyone who you know say they cause problem, they should be behind bars. Festus Eager almost say, but you stop on those days now when you grew up for back of Guinness. You remember me, Stanley. Boss, yeah, first I know. Will not be those days till next week, but will not be stupid, stubborn boy. Our make no feedback, our hand go back. You know what happen. But we know they like trouble. Before I start this video, I say every average Edo man, a Benin man, no one where you see, say you say Povietu, who your body you can lie. But the difference is we must apply wisdom in whatever we do. As at now, you cannot expect me maybe they push it now. Say I want to fight for street. Am I crazy? Except maybe you don't push me to the wall. You don't do. I don't dodge you because I be dodge. You don't do that. I don't dodge you. You can't think say that my dodge now weakness. I will not tell you say 1-on-1 is allowed. If you come out for 1-on-1, you say 2-on-1, you will still know say now orientation. They say they move people, not be courtesy. Now orientation. They say they move people, not be by courtesy. But we pray to God Almighty, make we get peaceful coexistence in Edo. So the message here is very clear. I not get anything against vigilante. But if you tell people like us say, Moku close eye, More you the look. Now lie you. We go tell you say no. This thing good. This thing not good. This one right. After all, the goal and objective is say we want a better Edo State. We not they come criticize without we not give you solution. We not they criticize without we not you come and say, hey, this is not good, this is not good, this is not good. Okay, the content is okay. Now you say no good. How will fit a suffer? You're going to say, you're not good, you're not good. That is stupidity. If you are saying something is not good, you should be able to bring a workable system to address what you've noticed is not good. You not fit first solution to what they do. You they say the one way they do not good. People praise Frederick. When I like what a shower. I don't go read this your comment. Praise Frederick. When I go read Praise Frederick comment. If me don't get your cases now, I'll begin jump here and then the answer. Hey God, no. My dear brothers and sisters, I have no issues with anyone. I not go come out here to fight anybody. I will only come out if you allege me. I will come and defend myself. As I did so, by the power of God Almighty, we be human being. Nobody will jealousy, not the entire mind, but I try as much as possible to have proper jealousy, not improper one. When somebody do what I not fit do, I dey beg and make it teach me. I get that. See, my dear brothers and sisters, I get this kind of mind when it be say, what I don't know, I dey learn am. Wetin me no know, I dey learn am. Wetin me no sabi, person one, I go praise am. I know if it state now when I not go tell you that I not be Jesus Christ who where something no see the pain at times who something they pay me somebody feel they do me something. I sabi beer. I sabi beer things. I sabi beer. I sabi beer where I sabi am. But you still get where you go reach. Maybe I'll kind of think say people like we, if we want art, we want live video. The world go to see them. You know, we don't do one. Maybe you can go, maybe you can crack come and say, look at what they did to us, or maybe you can crack come and say, so that no, as it they happen, you're the watcher. As it they happen, you go the watcher. They not go call report. You don't want that for live video. They all help to the see them. But they do one before, no. That's what it be before for life. You could record those the one that they grow the come now we still be our elders. Because more talk through me, they will be ashamed. You feel they look me for live video now, you just say, oh, this one this one is no one. Now lie you, we serve now still small boys for when men day too. I talk some of my clients all the way from diaspora, they call me, two of them. If you see the soft boys, five boys, they call me. Come to tell them say, come, we come to talk. Now they say, we only happy say some of you travel. If to so not travel, if we not reach our town, you know people not travel. And don't fool. Nobody takes anybody here. You go talk anyhow for live video. And you come now for live video, now your girl will beat you. As you they come up for your live video, say you want come and now your get they go for beat you. Now people will travel. We can see they can't fit travel, they can't see fit get hustle what they do, they can't get money, and they can't get money, they can't live in peace. Now make some of us don't see reach our turn and say, I will sack we know holding in a do. Who know when if a door is full or God, you quickly add yourself. Say everybody did. You add yourself now, you don't reach our turn now. You're there from far they look. Wait till you want to go to make noise. When men they turn. For those where they around early 2000. When federal SARS, the key boys will do, one boy stay run and jammed. Before then, who they fit talk? We they stand like this on the one where they say, go see brother this person. Now so brother, now point with the point. We not if he come and come talk. But now we are not talking. Because the men were supposed to shut up Walawa, they don't travel. They don't travel. Those they get on time. When they grow, they come. I thought they were some boys called the smoky boo. Now I can say, see boy, you the smell here. Now when the boys say, shut up. You say na grass the bone. I don't forget that statement. You say, shut up. You go say na grass the bone. Now I'm not mad. So the point being made is very clear. I beg. No go look me say, this don't sound good no body. Na demo. Na day your day video. I not do. I not do. No go overrate me say, oh this one the two the wacko. I know wacko. The reason why you say I know the find trouble is this. I want your leave. I don't want the wrong for anybody. I don't want to go make it do like this for road. I don't want. I am living my own peacefully. Make you safe. Live your own peace. I want to live in peace. Make you safe. Live in peace. If I match your shoe, you tell me, say, Osakuno, what do you don't match my shoe? I say, sorry. What another evil devil. When you tell devil, say, I bet devil not very sorry for the shoe when I match. What another? Now when me match your shoe back up, you cause Osakuno, what you don't match my shoe, because say, so they worry you, you don't understand maybe Osakuno, whoa. Now that hand will be true. Now be the crisis. That hand will be true. See, now maybe yourself will know whoa. Then go vex. Not even the word with me talk. Okay, you dey burn, no shaking. You don't start. It don't start. So the truth of the matter is this. Stanley OJ, see your own recommendation. My dear brother, I beg. I don't get issue with anybody. The truth of the matter is, my name still remains Osakwinokudi. For those who don't know, I am, my surname not there, my name there. My name is Stanley Osaze Osakwinokudi. Eirema Onwevyugie Osaze. All these are my names. So I think it's very imperative for us to be privy to this information. So I want to say a very big thank you to all the people worldwide. And I think it's our collective resolve to ensure that the vigilante operates in the right pedestal and as well do what is right. Do what is right to better not just their lives, but the lives of the ragtags and the jektangs, and the lives of the Olopoloi in our contemporary urban society. So in a nutshell, my brother will say message to Sakwinokudi. Please, if you have not shared the video, share. Not send me message again, say reply to us. Don't reply me. Talk your own, make I talk my own. No, so it be. You talk your own, make self talk my own. Leave me, face your own, me go face my own. Please, if you have not shared, share this video. Share this video. We need vigilante in the door, but certainly not what we are saying now, because these men, they may end up becoming a big monster that at the end of the day, we might not be able to stand the test of time. I think this is much we can take. this evening, and I see some persons are already saying, please, we want to call in. We want to call in. We want to call into the program. Let me see if I can open the line. Excuse me. Let me just receive some 2 calls. Somebody say, bros, as you gallant reach, you nothing mobilize you to drive this killer Fulani, this vocab not go help also. Yeah, bro, now the fact, when you say mobilize, it depends on, the government is already mobilizing. But what we are checking now is, we should not go and mobilize the wrong one. The mobilization is already there. Now this one, I don't want to even mention anybody's name, that's all. Well, now your man then. Let me check something before, so that I can draw conclusion if I'm going to open the line. Okay. Now the number to call. The number to call is 070-3610-9939. I repeat, 070-3610-9939 plus 234-70 3610-9939. Please, I just need some 2-3 calls to end the broadcast. Plus 234-70-3610-9939. In respect to the vigilante, please be laconic and direct to the point. Have your say. Hello, good evening.
Hello,
I remain loyal, sir. Where are you calling from? My phone call. Somebody say, Baba Son is Stanley. To be honest, you resemble Fulani and smell. You need to do something about it. But I beg you. Okay, this is from California. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening, you are on to Sakwino Kodi.
Yes, good evening.
I remain loyal, boss.
Yes, I've been watching your program, so I just want to say thank you very much. And I like your style, the way you act, the way you do things. I think you really passing out a message just for the people and also for the state government to be aware. I think a word is the mouth of a wise. If they are smart enough, they should be able to listen to everything you say, so to be able to tackle the issues. I think that's the only thing I have to say for now. I just want to say thank you for your time.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. I'm most grateful. Yeah. Have you given me your CFO?
The CFO?
Have you given me?
We're talking about that one. That's not the one.
Okay, boss. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So, we're waiting for the last caller. We are waiting for the last caller before we call the program a day. 070-3610-9939 plus 234-70 plus 234-70-3610-9939. So nobody is saying vigilante is not going to do a great job. We are saying check the personalities involved. That's not too big to ask. They will do a great job, but we do not want to empower cultists. That's the point. Not cultists per se, but unrepentant cultists. We do not want to empower them. We want to stop killing in Edo. We cannot skyrocket the killings in Edo in the name of vigilante. Thank you. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, bro.
Good evening, sir. Please, what's the name and where are you calling from?
I'm calling from UK.
Okay, good evening, sir. Please have your say.
My contribution about the vigilante.
Yes.
The vigilante, they do good work. Nobody said that they work. But some group of persons don't change them to personal interest. So they fish out other group of injust men. You understand what I mean?
Yes.
So the whole thing now, you know, that video, so many people watch them.
Yeah.
And some people, they will be saying, they will take that video personal.
Yes.
And they accuse people for diaspora. I think some people, they sponsor all this confirming.
Now confirm.
And which is true.
Yes.
So people, they now will be saying, they don't see that video. What do you want me to do when they come to that kind of video?
No be lie.
So the system, man, it is so fucked up. It is so fucked up. They don't need to give all these confirmed boys. You know, there's nothing like renounce for you to say you don't renounce. We're not supposed to be saying they don't renounce, but they still do number one that time. But they get renounced paper for house.
They see the two number one.
I know that maybe they don't just give any all these confirmed boys vigilante. But when you get tooth for house now, carry tooth come out. If you ask them, you go say na vigilante, they carry our car, broad daylight.
Broad daylight.
They carry tooth waka. They so fucked up. So the system may not be changed. They not be changed. If they want to stop them, and they read some comments, if they want to stop them, really, they need men, advanced men will get something to lose. If you want to join vigilante, you must be a landlord, get house, get children, get wife. You will not say yes, you know which is they protect. Don't believe go put one young can boy. Can this barata for you everywhere, go put up for vigilante.
Now, hello, excuse me. Now, call you say you want to make a you can't make me the laugh here today.
No, not the last one. I think that's not our.
You say can boy.
Now we not there. You don't go high, finish, you carry two, you walk up for 6 go to light. You see one man now, because it not be your own, you can't come. You go turn and vigilante you be. So what do you want? See, if they not tackle this situation, you go the thing go walk past how it is now, because men go start to roll on vigilante. You don't make sense now. The only thing, our parents know they safe. Even some women now, they will see vigilante, they will run. Because you know they say carry gun, they know they say vigilante go carry gun like that. Don't carry gun, the waka like animal, where they no get control.
My brother, I know.
All the videos I see now just one set of people. I don't support anybody. Killing no good, confront no good. They need to stop them. But now you just recruit one side. We watch the video now. We see what happen. Kill somebody like that. If police no get right to keep a thing like that, you as the civilian.
No.
Don't give the compassion now. How about the Bible passion give them?
No.
So when they're going to see compassion, and government not ask them, see, we're not see compassion. See that video, all of their own compassion for the video. When they see them, then they second.
You know why they smash you?
I said, the thing invest me. The state not safe. People don't come Nigeria again. Boys don't come Benin. Benin boys, they go to invest for Abuja, they invest for Lagos. They don't come Benin again. Forget all those things when they see for social media. All those boys who they social media, they don't get anything. Benin boys, they go to invest for outside town. She said that Benin, somebody tell me, say the national land for Benin no country. Benin boy.
Say the dash ain't no take.
Why? Because safety not there.
No be lie.
If they want real vigilante, may they give people who get something to lose. Men who don't born, they get children, they get properties, or they get house. Normally, if you want license gun, you must get property. Now, why is the license gun? Probably now you just go buy one Orchard made, you go register with vigilante. So if they carry the Orchard made, they work out for afternoon.
Not be lying, my dear brother.
No, man, they need to change the system, bros. They need to change them.
Alright, since this is your call, I'm not going to lie you.
I appreciate your effort.
Thank you, my brother. You too much. Thank you very much.
Bros. I greet you, bros.
I greet you, bros. Thank you. Yes, this is much we can take this evening. Thank you very much for listening to me. I remember humble self, Comrade Stanley Sazosa, the CFO man in those states, and we are into land surveying, building plan design and construction. We are into CFO application as well. In fact, we will carry out both perimeter survey, geodetic, cadastral. In fact, some few days ago, we just rounded up a cadastral survey. So you can commission us to carry out your exercise, and I promise you will never regret commissioning us. Our phone number still remains 07036109939, 08079742172, 07036109939, 07036109939. I cannot take call again for the discussion today. I want to say a very big thank you. Thanks for listening to me. I remember humble self, your number right activist, Comrade Stanley Sazosa, we're not holding. Get it clear. Nobody hates vigilante. Not the best we want for Edo State. Bye for now.